Today I'll show you how to configure QEMU so that all your virtual machines get an IP address from your home network. By default, QEMU assigns an IP address from its own DHCP range. We need to configure a bridge on our device in order for QEMU to put the virtual machines onto the home network. To do so, enter the command sudo nmtui. This brings up the network manager. Deactivate any wireless connections on the host, as this tutorial only works with a wired connection. Use the arrow keys to navigate the menu. Choose Activate a connection. If you have a wireless connection here, select it and use the right arrow key to select Deactivate. Hit Enter. In my case, it is not needed because I don't have a wireless connection. Go back to the main menu, choose Edit a connection. Select the Add button. Scroll down and choose Bridge. Click on Create. Go down to Bridge Slaves and click on Add. Choose Ethernet, hit Enter. Scroll down to the bottom of the window and select OK. Scroll down once again and click on OK. Now we need to delete the original wired connection. Highlight it and select Delete. Confirm the deletion. Go back to the main menu and select Quit. Shut down your virtual machine and restart the virtual machine manager. Now we need to change the network settings for the virtual machine. Open the settings of your machine, select the network interface card, click on the network source drop-down menu, choose the just created bridge interface. Click on Apply on the bottom right side. Now start your machine. My EVNG virtual machine has an IP address from my home network now. And even the virtual machine inside EVNG has an IP address from my home network. Just in case you want to reset your network configuration, change directory to the network manager folder and remove the folder called system connection. This will restore the original configuration. Open up the Windows Firewall configuration menu. Press the Advanced Settings button. Click on Inbound Rules. Drag the names field to the right to make the names easier to read. Allow both ICMP-v4 echo requests. Highlight the rule and use the Enable Rule button on the right side to do so. Next, click on Outbound Rules to allow the ICMP traffic again. Thanks, bye.